At the end of 2008, I started an NGO called Hockey Citizen Group. One of the project of the Hockey Citizen Group is 1000 hockey legs. 1000 hockey legs means introduce hockey to at least 500 school kids every year. Basically, we are focusing on unfocused slum children and migrant laborers children. My name is K. Arumuha. I was born in a big joint family in a remote village in the state of Tamil Nadu. So we are traditionally good at education. So after passing out my 12th standard, I moved from my village to other places for studying. During that studies, I applied for the UPSC examination and qualified. I joined the central government service. I worked there for 20 years. When I was working simultaneously, I was taking interest in sports. You see, when I was doing BSc at my college, that time India won the Moscow Olympic gold. So the Bhaskaran was the captain of the team. He was from the place where my college was located, Chennai. So he used to come for annual function, other things. That was my first, inspiration towards hockey. Then the next year I saw World Cup in Bombay. So the bond between hockey developed. Then during my course of 20 years service, I kept on writing articles about hockey, watching the matches. So this was my introduction to hockey. So after 20 years, I have taken voluntary retirement to involve myself more with hockey in different forms. Even I was not aware that time I would start an NGO, but it so happened in 2008, that means 1.5 years after I took the voluntary retirement, Indian hockey did not qualify for the Olympics. That was a big setback for all the sports fans, especially for those who was with the hockey. So around that time, I organized a hockey players morcha for improving the status of hockey. The morcha came from Barakamba Road to the allotted places. So a week after that, I had a heart attack. So I was admitted in hospital and I had to undergo stent operations. But after recovering, I thought instead of going into protest, instead of doing everything, I should do something concrete that will put hockey on the firm footing and that will give personal satisfaction also. So at the end of 2008, I started an NGO called Hockey Citizen Group. There's two of my close friends, they also joined in this. We three founded this organization. One of the project of the Hockey Citizen Group is 1000 hockey legs. 1000 hockey legs means introduce hockey to at least 500 school kids every year. There we bake, one school may have even 50 players, 60 players, but we consider only 20 players. That means you run hockey in 25 schools in one city. That time we started in Pondicherry, then we started in Calcutta, we started in UP Kanpur. Basically, we are focusing on unfocused slum children and migrant laborers children who are just roaming here and there. There is no focus on their interest in sports, interest in academic pursuit is very poor because we know the government schools and other setup. There is no environment for them to study further. So we thought we will give hockey, give them a focus and try to improve their personality, improve their career opportunities in sports like that. So it worked very well because the government schools were downtrodden and underprivileged kids study. They take interest in any sports you introduce. I found when you go to the schools, normally they don't play any sports seriously or systematically. Just there are a few hours allotted for sports. One PTA is there who controls around 2000 boys. So there is no focus on anything. So when we went and offered, and we did everything free of cost also, including equipment, playing, training, coaching and everything. Still there was a lot of bureaucratic hurdles and other things, but many schools, they agreed to it. So first year in Delhi, for example, in 2010, we started 6 schools. After that, another 6 schools. First 4 years, we introduced 6 schools. So after reaching 24 schools, which is actually the 1000 hockey legs final objective, so we are running it and introduce different aspects to the same program. Instead of growing vertically, we started growing horizontally. In the sense, you give them education. So like many aspects we introduced to it. This is how the 1000 hockey legs was born. Quite happy that way, though we have been working in different buckets. The work got its own publicity. It got acknowledged by the people who are supposed to acknowledge this. For example, I got the Rashtriya Khel Puraskar. I got a award called RKPP, which expands to Rashtriya Khel Protsahan Puraskar, which was given by none other than President of India, Dr. Pranab Kaur Mukherjee. Coincidentally, that day the great occasion was at the same function, our badminton sensation PV Sindhu also got her Khel Ratna award. So I think that's a very good acknowledgement I have got for my work.